At Syndeticom, we employ three main types of wireless surveys. Predictive site surveys are ideal for budgeting and planning purposes. This method is used pre-deployment of any hardware or when a hardware refresh project has been identified. A predictive site survey, also known as a predictive Wi-Fi design, uses advanced software from companies like Ekahau to model your environment and create different types of Wi-Fi heat maps. It establishes the requirements needed to deploy a high-performance WLAN system and approximates how many APs are required, their mounting locations for cabling and indicative costs. Typically, building floor plans are loaded into the predictive site software to develop a wireless network design. Predictive site survey tools will account for building materials, square meterage, number of end users, types of applications, antenna models, and other variables to provide a reliable predictive wireless plan for your site or facility. A predictive site survey is software modelling used off-site with an accuracy in best cases of around 80% based around industry standards. The access point on a stick method. It is recommended that this method be used in conjunction with the initial predictive site survey. Access point on a stick is used to validate the predictive design within the physical environment with a proposed active AP. These results can then be fed back into the predictive design for improved accuracy. Access point on a stick is a method where we go on site and use Ekahau Sidekick hardware to test and measure the wireless connection. Equipped with an AP on a tripod, our wireless survey engineer will move frequently and across the entire site. The access point on a stick method is time-consuming but generates highly accurate results. This method can help to improve design accuracy from between 80 to 95%. The access point on a stick method can often be difficult in challenging environments such as big warehouses, locations with very high ceilings, or large open spaces. The post-install wireless survey. The post-install wireless survey is recommended to be used in conjunction with the site predictive survey. The post-install wireless survey involves our engineer continuously walking on site, testing and validating the wireless network. Our engineer then returns to the office and creates a report based on our findings. We will also diagnose and report any problems that interfere with the signal. Examples are rogue APs, electrical RF noise, or ad hoc Wi-Fi devices such as printers. We utilise highly accurate spectrum analysis hardware to help identify and eliminate potential Wi-Fi or third-party interferers. The post-install wireless survey generates highly accurate results and can also be used for scheduled ongoing health checks over time as things change at site. Wireless surveys are an integral part of ensuring that you make the most out of your wireless network. To discuss a method that suits your environment, feel free to open a conversation with us. Thank you for watching.